Good morning and welcome one and all to our general knowledge class. Dear students, let's learn from chapter number 5 of our general knowledge book as how to say the word thank you in different languages of the world if Mickey takes us on the world tour. Question number 1. In which language will we say mercy when Mickey takes us to see the Eiffel Tower? Children, the answer is in French. Eiffel Tower is a wrought iron lattice tower in Paris, France, which is the most visited paid monument in the world. Question number 2 is in which language will we say Danke when Mickey takes us to see Neuschwanstein Castle? Answer is in German. Bavaria's King Ludwig II built this castle in 1870s and it was Germany's third most popular attraction for 2017 as it offers beautiful views in every season and is the reason for many for a trip to Germany. The third question is in which language will we say grazie when Mickey takes us to see the Leaning Tower of Pisa? Children, in Italian. The Leaning Tower of Pisa is the freestanding bell tower of the Cathedral of the Italian city of Pisa, known worldwide for its nearly 4 degrees lean, the result of an unstable foundation. The fourth question is in which language will we say Spasiba when Mickey takes us to see St. Basil's Cathedral? The answer is in Russian. St. Basil Cathedral is an Orthodox church in Red Square of Moscow and is one of the most popular cultural symbols of Russia. The fifth question is in which language will we say Shukran when Mickey takes us to see the Great Pyramid? The answer is in Arabic. The Egyptian pyramids are the most incredible man-made structures in history. Pharaohs, also known as kings of ancient Egypt, believed that a part of their spirit would remain with their bodies in this world. So, through the process of mummification, a pharaoh was buried in these pyramids alongside his most valuable items of art, furniture, food, and other things of daily use. The sixth question is in which language will we say Asante when Mickey takes us to see Mount Kilimanjaro? The answer is in Swahili. Mount Kilimanjaro, the Africa's tallest mountain, is a dormant volcano in Tanzania. It has 3 volcanic cones, Kibo, Mwanze, and Shira. It is the highest single freestanding mountain in the world. In which language will we say Dhanyavad when Mickey takes us to see the Taj Mahal? The answer is in Hindi. Often described as one of the 7 wonders of the world, the stunning 17th century white marble Taj Mahal was built by Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan as a mausoleum for his beloved wife Mumtaz Mahal. The eighth question is in which language will we say Sheh Sheh when Mickey takes us to see the Great Wall? The answer is in Mandarin. Over the centuries, the Great Wall of China, considered as the 7 wonders of the world, has been built for 3 purposes: as a kingdom border defense, to defend China's northern border, and for tourism. The ninth question is in which language will we say arigato when Mickey takes us to see Mount Fuji? In Japanese. Japan's Mount Fuji is an active volcano about 100 kilometers southwest of Tokyo. It is a country's tallest peak. A pilgrimage site for centuries, it is considered one of the Japan's 3 sacred mountains. The 10th and the last question, in which language will we say gracias when Mickey takes us to see the pyramid at Chichen Itza? The answer is in Spanish. The tallest structure in Chichen Itza, Mexico is 98 feet high, an ancient pyramid constructed by the Mayan people sometimes between 9th to 12th centuries. It is one of the 7 wonders of the world. Thank you.